So, ang gagawin kasi si Tami, masakit yung dibdib. Dahil hindi niya ito madala sa bahay. Ang freezer. So, ang gagawin ko po is lilinisin ko lang siya.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Pasensya na sa mukha, guys. Mukhang ingot. Mukhang iwan. Sumakit yung hips ko dahil sa kahapon. Iwan ko na lang. Parang the sign of aging, guys. Every time I do something, the next morning, hurts. That's the sign of aging. Because before, it wasn't like this, guys. Believe me. Day, night, working to the farm, and or work in the house, or working in as a worker, as a salon. It doesn't...
Okay, soon you won't have to wait for the next morning. It'll hurt as soon as you do it.
Honey, that's really scary, hon. So, hon, what are you doing, hon? Why are you doing a lot, hon? That's it, love. It's just like we... So what? They eat.
I know they eat.
This is like double feeding in these kids. That's why we spend more money for the kids, guys, because we double feed them.
Rats.
And then we are going to New Rochelle again. We're gonna bring the table here. Hello, guys. So ngayon, guys, yun, hakot ng gamit. Kasi po, at maglinis. Kasi yun yung gawain natin. Kasi kailangan gawin. Yun. And then, dahil lunchtime na, and hindi ako kumain, and wala akong rice. So, ito na yung dinala ko. Kasi alam nyo naman ako kapag magutom, hopefully magkasya yung table dito. Kasi yung table doon sa kitchen sa isang bahay, kailangan naming dalhin dito. Kasi itapon sana yun. Pero sabi ko, dalhin natin dito. Kasi gusto kong gawin. Kasi alam nyo man, guys, meron kaming dining, meron kaming counter, at kailangan ko ng table. Kasi po, yung counter namin, kahit anong gawin ko sa kakalinis, itong mister ko, kailangan din niyang maglagay ng mga kahit anik-anik doon. And then, paminsan, napapagod na din ako sa pagsasabing, bakit ka na ganito? Wala, masaya nga tayo dahil meron tayong counter. Yung ano, island ba? Island. Turn the car on. And then, what, did you do that?
Yeah, push it.
Oh, where is it? Is it in here?
What?
Oh, so, yeah. Can you be careful lang? Oh my God. Yung cut ng kamay niya, guys, palagi niyang nadadamage talaga. Kasi pinupush niya, pinupok niya, intention. Yung parang hindi niya sinasadya ba, parang automatic na. Nakalimutan niya na meron siyang cut sa kamay. Kahapon, ginanon talaga niya ng cheese bottle. I was like, oh my God. Yesterday it was really crazy. I feel like the pain is killing me.
A couple days ago. Oh yes,
yesterday the pain was killing me, love. Oh my goodness, huh? Okay. So yun lang, guys. So yun, let's go to New Rochelle kasi we need to clean up, guys. Oh my goodness. And it's all, I'm kind of hungry, but you know, that's why I bring the bread.
Taco Bell.
No. We end up not eating, we end up not cleaning. You know why? Because you wanna run around. This is the problem.
We'll shop right first anyway. So.
Wait, my camera. Hala.
It's right there.
Oh,
On the dashboard.
oh
Really?
my God.
You've been talking to it for the last 15 minutes.
You are over there, guys. I forgot. Oh my God, hinahanap ko yung kami. That is what happens, guys, when you get old, okay? Don't eat too much meat because it will ruin your brain.
That's what it is.
Honey, I'm losing my mind. Sometimes Tommy, guys, put the glasses here. Where's my glasses? It's right here on top of his head.
I don't do it.
Yeah, it happened once, eh? Okay, guys. Yun lang, guys. Oh my God, is this accident?
I guess.
It's accident probably. And look, this is our dream RV, guys. Look, oh. That's our dream RV. Yeah, traffic over dito, eh. Look, that's a nice one right there. Ito yung kakainin ng mga horse, guys, oh. Kabayo. Sagbot, guys, sagbot. Sa humay ba? Humay. Palay. Yun yung kinakain ng mga kabayo. Oh, look. Ginagawa nila yung mga... Stay in your lane. This guy can't stay in the lane. Traffic kasi, guys, dito, guys, traffic. Sama ko, sister. Dito kami ngayon guys sa ShopRite. So ngayon, magsakit na naman itong ulo ko dahil si Tami may planong bumili ng mga roast beef na naman yung bilhin daw niya. So yun, let's see kung headache na naman itong bigay ito. Hey guys, this is gonna go bad Sunday. Yeah, but you have to do like this because you know why? The waters get heavy. Guys, ang daming binili eh. You know why they put water?
You gotta get the ones with a lot of flowers.
Look, oh, look, oh, they're all... No, they have a lot of flowers. You don't even look the price though. Eh. No, I mean the broccoli. The broccoli wrap.
Yeah, $1.99.
How about the asparagus? They don't have on sale. Garlic guys, bumili din ako ng garlic. And andun si Tami. Bumili, ano lang siya ng asparagus. So dito tayo guys, ito yung bibilihin ni Tami dito, mga beef. Roast beef. Where is it? Ito na yung nasa ano niya, look. Oh my goodness.
Look good?
What's how many pounds?
10 pounds. 10 pounds. That look good?
Is that good?
Looks good.
It looks thinner to me.
Huh?
Looks thinner.
It's how we cut it from the bone for you.
Ang daming ano guys, oh. Ito yung roast beef, oh. Ang ganda. Look, tignan nyo naman yun. Let me see what he got. Pakita natin yung ano nakuha niya. Look at that guys. It's crazy. Han, that's it, Han.
I need one for bird. That's it.
That's it. Labas na kami guys. Nakalabas na tayo. Tapos na dito. Kapag si Tami talaga mag-grocery, gasto talaga. Ang daming tao dito. And then pagkatapos dito guys, do you have the color? Ha? Maganda yung panahon pero ang ano ko, ang bra ko hindi maganda yung panahon. Nahuhulog talaga siya guys dito. Palagi ko siyang sinasalo kasi nahuhulog talaga yung mga bra. The bra is always falling down. Like a bridge is falling down, London Bridge.
London bra is falling down.
London bra is falling down. Okay guys, nandito na tayo. Gasto talaga si Tami guys. Ganito yung kadramahan natin sa Mimoy. Ay, maganda yung panahon. So, kinuha ko na yung ano ko, jacket ko kasi ang panahon maganda. So, yun. Dito yung ano natin, jacket. So, let's go. Teka lang. Ang init guys. Nahuhulog talaga itong bra ko. Iwan ko, brand new man ito eh. Pero nahuhulog talaga siya. Hindi ko talaga gets. Gets. Lasan yung camera. Asus, ginawa ko. Always na lang camera hinahanap ko guys. Hey, I have something to tell you. But
So
today,
I guess somebody was noticing you. What?
today over there, they're just like and then I give them a bad look.
Why?
Because they're like looking at me, staring at me like a freaking thing.
Man, seriously?
And then this is Spanish guy.
It's complimentary, so why
No,
would
it's
you give
not.
them a bad look?
I don't like it, Tommy. I don't like when people notice me.
Son, you're not invisible. We'll notice you. You're not invisible.
Especially guys, when you know flirty. I'm just telling you. That's why I keep coming to you and they walk away. This guy, while you turn around, you know that noisy guy said, smiling at me like this, oh. Hi. I said, I don't say hi and I give him a look. I give him a look. Seriously. And then I go to you, I keep saying, Han, why you don't get here? I have to tell him that this is my honey. My honey. Ala, sorry, love. Sorry. Huh? Did I hurt you? Hello, what is this? Na-share ko lang yun kay Tami guys kasi hindi man ako maganda pero you know, sa tagal-tagal for 2 years yung mga babae nagmamask, lahat ay nagmamask. Pag may makita silang nag-unmask, parang tinitignan ka ba? So, feeling ko lang. Feeling ko lang na maganda ako. Pero hindi pa lang. Anyway. So, ang gagawin ko, andito kami. So, I'm going to clean the, how do you call that? Freezer downstairs. No, I didn't get the one on the thing right now. Hi guys! Andito tayo sa basement, guys. Dito tayo, maglinis po tayo dito. Kailangan ko lang linisin itong freezer. Kasi hindi po namin ito madala sa bahay. So, ang gagawin, kasi si Tammy, masakit yung dibdib. Dahil hindi niya ito madala sa bahay. Ang freezer. So, ang gagawin ko po is lilinisin ko lang siya. Kukunin natin itong plastic. Well, actually, hindi siya makuha, guys, yung plastic. Sila na lang yung magkuha sa plastic. Hello? So, ngayon, lilinisin natin ito. Paano ba ito linisin? Hindi, isprayhan ng 409. Ito yung pang-spray, 409. And then, pagkatapos na isprayhan, hindi man ito na-on pa. Love man pala ito. And then, pahiran. Ganun. Pahiran mo lang siya para mawala yung mga stain-stain. O, diba? O, diba? Kahit silupin. Nalinis kahit silupin. So, yun yung ano guys, kapag maglilinis kayo guys, ito may gas dito. Ang hala, may laman pala itong gas. Ang liit ng ano, tank Yung tank dito, ang liit guys. Grabe guys. Paano ba ito? Yun na to. Tignan nyo itong tank. Kita ninyo ito sa previous vlog ko, pero look oh. Ang liit ng tank. Ang laki ng bahay. Ang bahay is 3 stories, di ba? Pero yung tank, ang liit. That means probably sa winter, 2 beses sila magpa-deliver ng oil. So, which is not good. Not good. So, linisin ko lang po ito, guys. Ito yung buhay guys, kahit hindi ko ito bahay, tutulong pa rin tayo. Tutulong pa rin tayo sa paglilinis kahit hindi natin ito bahay. Kahit wala tayong makukuha. Alam nyo guys ang mangyari, ang iba kasi dito guys, you know, dito sa Amerika. Kung ano, kasi dito parang for example ako, well, tutulong ako dahil asawa ko ni Tammy, di ba? Pero kapag tutulong ka na yung iba hindi tutulong dahil walang sayo, ganon. Yun. Yung parang hindi ka naman mahatian ito. Sa mga kung mabinta na. Real talk lang ba? Real talk. Hindi ka naman mahatian. Hindi naman din ako nag-after ng hati. Or kahit konting ayuda. Hindi naman. Kasi kung nag-after pa ako ng ayuda noon pa, nung binantayan ko nung ina nila. Tinanggal na ni Tammy yung table. Yung, hindi pa pala. Inano lang niya. So ngayon, tapos na ako doon. Hindi ko talaga siya malinis, guys. Kasi ano siya yung... Ha? Okay. You need help? Hold on.
Table to a little crack.
You see, this is real wood. This is crap, oh.
No, she says expandable.
Okay, so that freezer, Han, I clean it whatever I can clean,
Yeah.
but it's rusty inside. You know that.
Okay.
So whatever it is, so what if you decide we're gonna get rid of it?
We'll have to figure out a way.
So that means you have a cutter hand for that hand.
Yeah.
Freezer?
Oh, I got a cover.
Because that's gonna be a Dinala namin yung table. And then ngayon, tinitignan ko yung mga drawer, kung marami pa ba yung dapat dalhin. So, konti na lang pala. Yung upuan doon sa living room. Mga ibang gamit dito sa para, tawag nun, para mag-ano ba. Yung pang-cleaning, andito din. And also, what else? Konti na lang talaga. Ang pinakamalaki, the biggest thing that we have to bring home is the generator. Yan lang, generator. And yun yung pinakamabigat talaga, generator. Ang pinakaayaw ko na dalhin niya is yung upuan doon. I mean, you know, wala na kasing space sa bahay, guys. Iwan ko kung anong gagawin. Ang isipin ko na lang muna, kahit nakakairita, ang isipin ko is madala na lahat sa bahay kung ano yung gusto niyang dalhin. And then, para mawala na itong bahay, mabinta na. And yung pinakamalaking oxygen tank doon sa dalhin daw niya. Sabi ko, akala ko itapon. So, ngayon dalhin niya. Nakakaluka. Kaya, okay, dokie. Ito ang problema ko, guys. Baka pag matagal akong iihi, and then hindi ako inom ng tubig, busawon yun ko. Yung Bisaya ba? Alam nyo ba yung busaw? Yung parang feeling mo, may adoy, ang daming bee dito. Ginoo ko. Ang dadami. Yung busaw ba? Yung parang gusto mong maihi palagi. Yung bilat mo parang may may something. Yung parang gusto mong maihi. Adoy, ginoo ko. Yung bilata. Amoy dito sa upuan, guys. Sa sasakyan, amoy chicken. Amoy chicken. Yan. Oh, it's hot, guys. I'm afraid to open the window. The bees just keep flying. Grabe na. Meron tayong bread. Bread. Thank you, love. That's our water together. It's my baby. My baby. Oh, you know what? The Hawaiian bread, guys, is the best, guys, in the world. That's why,
Natural. Oh.
That's why I don't even like the bread that you like, the flat Italian thing. It's just, this one is tasty, soft, and everything. That one is hard. It hurt. Oh, goodness. Ready to rumble. Why I'm so far? So far away. This time, hon, we need the heat. We need the air conditioning.
You can open a window and get fresh air.
Will this be attack us?
Not too late, he's in.
Ha? Ay naku, hala, da kamera. Wala na akong rice para makakain kami kasi wala kaming kain. Kumain lang ako ng bread. Gusto ko talagang titira ng Pilipinas. Parang kung tatanda ako ba, gusto kong may bahay, gusto kong 6 months doon, 6 months dito, ganun. Gusto kong ganun, guys. Kasi kakaiba siya yung parang doon ka, uwi ka 6 months, and then dito na naman, ganun. Masarap talaga yung buhay probinsya, sa totoo lang. At saka yung asawa ko, send ng message, palaging nagsisend. Iwan ko na lang, parang nagka-poison ivy na ako, Ay, naku talaga si Batman. Ay, naku, poison ivy galore. Oh, poison ivy. Oh, I need to spray. Hello guys, so simpleng lang guys, madali ang gulay para dinner. Binuboil ko lang itong asparagus. And then, ang gagawin ko is, lagyan ko siya ng olive oil na vinaigrette. And then, lagyan ko siya ng red wine. And then, yun, at saka paminta. Yun. Kung meron kayong Italian na salad dressing, yun yung gawin. Salad dressing po ito guys. And then, meron kaming chicken from ShopRite. Masarap yung chicken nila guys sa ShopRite. And then yun, ito yung dinner namin. Of course, nagluluto din ako ng rice guys. Kasi po, kailangan kong magluluto ng rice. And then si Habs, gutom na. Gusto nang kumain. Hi guys, we're going to bed.
I don't want to do the poison ivy, but I'll do it over the clothes. Why you want to talk to me in front of a camera?
No,
Night, guys.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.